So hello guys, welcome back again on my channel. Today we are going to see another question on Codeforces that is running ongoing in contest. So this question name is permutation, like perfect permutation. So this is a A-level question currently asked in the running Codeforces competition. So this is Division 2 Codeforces 810 Division 2. So basically in this question you have given a number, so I will directly go to the test case. So basically this first digit denote the number of test cases, and 1 and 4 like are the input for the test cases. So what you need to do here key this number that you have given is the size of the array, and is the limit. So if it is like this is considered as n, so the numbers which contain in the array will be from 1 to n. Okay. And the thing is key you need the weight of the array should be least, and the weight of the array is defined like this here. Key as you can see in the second test case 2 1 4 3. So wherever these numbers are there, so they should not be divided by their index number. And now I'm saying index, so index is like 1 2 3 4. So basically the input is here 4, so basically you need to arrange numbers from 1 to 4 in such a manner that they are not divided by their index, and index is like 1 2 3 4. So basically 2 is divided by 1, so whenever your number is divided by, so then the weight of will be increased, means like this first one is divided, so weight is 1, so means, and this one then weight is 2, means the elements the number of elements which are divided by their index, so it will make it equal to the index, sorry, make it equal to the weight. So you need to make the weight minimum. So for making the weight minimum you need to arrange all these numbers so that they are not divided by their index. Okay, so this is the question. So this is a very easy question. What you need to do in this, like this is the number 4, so it will, you can divide it into two parts, odd and even. So whenever number is even, like you can see here 4, so you just put the numbers like 1 2 3 4, and then you swap it. So basically swap the adjacent number. So basically if you see here, this is 1 2 3 4, then if you swap, then from 2 will go here at the first position, and 1 from the first position will come at the second position. And similarly for this, 4 from last come to the third position, and third will go to the fourth position. So if the number is even, you can do like this, and if the number is odd, then you can just swap last three numbers different, like separately, and others number separately, so that it can be in a proper way, so that the weight will be always 1. Okay, so let's go to the code. I have already written the code for this question. So basically in this you need to take some input, that is the number of test cases, so I taken that input, and then you need to create an array so that you can store that much number of your like for each test case you will have an integer, so you need to store in that array. And then you just need a 2D dynamic array so that you can store the answer for each test case in this. So basically as you move forward in this code, so for like you will run a loop, and this loop will run the number of test cases time, like 8 times. Okay, so in each time you will just store a number that is like your each test case value. So you will store it, and then initially you have already dynamic allocated 2D array, and here you also like allocating the number of columns required in that. Okay, so like that you will do, and after that you just need to fill that 2D array with the elements, and if it is even then you swap like this. Okay, and if it is odd then you need to just subtract 3 from the whole, like whatever your array limit, and take take that part as first part and the second part is like this. So you need to just swap it separately. And there is another case, if your size is 1, okay, then you don't need to do anything, that is already done, that weight is 1. Okay, so like this, and then you just need to print print the whole print the whole answer one by one. So this is just printing the dynamic array, 2D array, and after that you just need to delete your dynamic array so that your memory get free. Okay, so this is the code, and we will run it one time. As you can see, this is already correct, and I have submitted this question on Codeforces, and this is already passed. Okay, so and if you have not understand, I think I can show you on notebook with one example. Uh, with one example, so I stop this video. Now, if you consider the case like your number of test cases as 1, okay, and in this you have six elements, so this is the n. So in your array there will be numbers in between 1 2 3 4 4 5 and 6. Okay, then now you need to arrange this so that it will not be divided. So this, like, you can just now swap the adjacent two, so it will become 2 1 4 3 and 6 5. And if it is the case like this is your odd number, like 7, and is 7, then you write it first 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, then what you need to do, you just need to subtract from 7 3. So 3, after subtracting you will get 4. So first you need to swap 1 to 4, and separately you need to swap 5 to 7. So in this, like 2 1 4 3, and when you swap this it will become your 6 5, and this 5 will again swap with 7, so 7 will come here and 5 will come here. So this is the easy way to answer this question, and I hope you like it. And if you have not subscribed my channel, then you can subscribe, because I seen like many people are watching my video but they are not subscribing. If you subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up, then it will motivate me to make more videos, and it will help you also. So I would say just so, like, share and subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up and help me to reach more people, and they will learn also. So thanks for watching my video, and if you have not understand you can ask me in the comment, I will be happy to answer. Thank you.